In this video, we'll show you how to apply to Amazon Affiliate Associates program, quick and easy. So applying to the Amazon Affiliate Associates program is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. So the first step is to apply. So the first step is to visit the Amazon Associates website I need. So here we have the Amazon Associates website homepage. And then you want to click on sign up or sign in. And then you want to create an account, so log in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one. And then, third step, provide website or app details. Enter the URL of your website, blog, or app where you'll promote Amazon products. Then you want to set up your profile, fill in details about your content, audience, and how you plan to drive traffic to Amazon. Now, for the fifth step, is to add payment and tax information. Provide your payment preferences and tax details to receive commissions. And then once that's done, you can start promoting. Once approved, you can generate affiliate links and start earning commissions from qualifying purchases.